Welcome my dear students to the class of English grammar. Today we are going to take one part of grammar section, that is of language study, and the name of the topic is subject and predicate. So let us understand first the definition of the subject, and then we will understand the definition of predicate. Now let us read it. A word or a phrase in a sentence that shows who or what does the action is the subject. So what is the meaning of subject? A word or a phrase. Phrase means incomplete sentence. Whenever any word or a phrase comes in our sentence and it shows that who or what does the action, who is doing the action or what action is being done in the sentence, that is what is our subject is. Now let us see in the following sentences, the underlined part is the subject. So see the first sentence here, the baby is laughing. So here the baby is underlined. It means the action. Who is doing this action? The baby. Laughing is the action in this sentence and baby is doing this action here. Now second sentence is the glass fell from the table. So here by what object the action is being done? So the answer is by the glass. So we get the answer of who and what. So that is why whenever we get the answer of who or what does the action in the sentence been done by is called subject. So now let us see the predicate definition. The predicate is the part of a sentence that tells us something about the subject. So predicate is the part of a sentence which tells us something about the subject. It tells about the subject. The underlined part of the following sentences show the predicates in them. Now see the first sentence here. The baby is laughing. So the same sentence is repeated here, only the difference is that we have found our subject, the baby here, and the remaining will be our predicate. The next sentence is the glass fell from the table. So the glass is already we have identified it as a subject, and the remaining sentence which tells us about the subject is our predicate. So understood student that subject is who or what does the action, and the remaining part of the sentence which tells us about something about the subject, that will be our predicate. Now let us see some more examples. So here let us see the first sentence. Ram is studying history subject. So here Ram is subject and is studying history subject will be our predicate. Second sentence, the sun rises at east. Second sentence, there is subject will be the sun and rises at east will be our predicate. Third sentence, this movie is marvelous. In the third sentence, this movie is subject and is marvelous is our predicate. So I hope my dear students you have understood this topic very well. Thank you so much my dear students.